Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the sleeping baby cake topper. Okay, let's get started. Start off by colouring your modelling paste in a baby pink and roll out to around 4 to 5 millimeters in thickness. This is going to be your base. Cut out a scalloped edge circle using your GARRETT frill cutter. Roll some white modelling paste and cut out a circle using your cookie cutter. Use a patchwork cutter to emboss diamonds into your modelling paste. Using your DRESDEN tool, mark lines in each corner of the diamonds. Brush some water onto the pink base. Place your white circle on top of your pink base. You can use your knife just to neaten up the edges. Brush a little water onto every other scallop on your pink base. Attach your sugar pearls onto the base where you've brushed with water. You can use your tweezers to attach the pearls. Now for this part you need a sleeping baby already made from earlier. I have a video showing you how to make this. Roll out some pink modelling paste and make your baby's nappy. Mould into the baby's bottom until you create the shape. Cut off any excess modelling paste and then continue moulding it to the shape of the baby's bottom. For the decoration on top of the baby's nappy, I used a small star tip. Brush some water underneath the baby and then you can attach the baby to the base. Now you're going to make a teddy bear. For this you'll need a teddy bear mould. Put some modelling paste into your teddy bear mould, cut off the excess and smooth over the top. Turn the mould upside down and push out the teddy bear. Attach the teddy bear to the base using a little bit of water. Roll out a small amount of modelling paste and cut out a flower blossom. You can attach the blossom to the baby's hair using a little bit of water. And then you can decorate the blossom with a white sugar pearl, attaching this with some water.
If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.